in nature. Skibidi I. The golden ratio. Octopi is low-key the ultimate goon of numbers. Sitting at 1.618. It shows up everywhere, like flower petals following that dank Fibonacci sequence. Shells be spiraling like a Sigma move. And pine cones are out here with their spiral game strong. Even hurricanes and galaxies are flexing that golden spiral vibe. The human body got its own edge, too, with proportions that are straight fire. Plants are not slacking either. They grow leaves at angles that max out sunlight exposure, all thanks to the golden angle. Nature is wild, connecting math and beauty in one epic ship.